students, today I'll be starting with question number 5 of exercise 2.5. Now in question number 5 we have factorize. The first part we have 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now here we can see that this is x square term, this is y square term, this is z square term. This is xy term, this is yz and this is xz. That means this is which identity? It's x plus y plus z whole square identity, which is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus 2 into yz plus 2 into xz. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, because 2 square means 2 into 2, 4, x square. Now 9y square can be written as 3y whole square, because 3 square means 9, 3 into 3, 9, y square. And 16z square can be written as 4z square, because 4 square means 4 into 4, 16, z square. Now after this we have xy term, then yz term and zx term. Now we have to notice here, like with xy, which sign is given. Here we can see that plus sign is given. Now with yz term, minus sign is given. And with xz term also minus sign is given. Okay. So that means z term will be negative. Why? Because here in this term we can see that 12xy is having positive. That means x term is also positive and y term is also positive. That's why this term has become positive, right? And here we have yz. So here from this term we have noticed that y is also positive. That means z is negative, right? Since z is negative, that's why here we have negative sign, and here also we have negative sign. Okay, so with 4z term we will have to put negative. Okay, negative sign, as we have found that z term is negative, so here we have to give negative sign. Now according to the identity we have 2xy. So 2 into x into y. Now x means 2x. Okay. And y means 3y. Now if you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy. See, we have 12xy. Okay. Next we have plus sign. We'll just see the identity and we'll just write according to the identity. Okay, so since after 2xy we have plus sign, so we'll give plus sign. Okay, then we have 2yz, so 2 into y into z. So y means 3y, so here we'll write 3y, and z means minus 4z, which we will write within the bracket. So minus 4z. Now after 2yz we have 2 into x into z, 2xz. Okay, so we'll give plus sign and then we'll write 2xz. X means 2x and z means minus 4z. Okay, now see here, if you multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, y into z, yz, 24yz, and this minus and this plus will become minus. So it has become minus 24yz. Okay. Next here, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, and xz means 16xz or zx, and plus minus minus, so it's minus 16xz. So we have made 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz according to the question. Now we have to see this is the expanded form of x plus y plus z whole square, right? So we will have to write the factors now. So here just we have to write which is x here, 2x. So according to the identity we have to write x plus y plus z whole square. Now since x is 2x here plus y means 3y and z means minus 4z. Z means minus 4z. So this is whole square because according to the identity this is the expanded form of x plus y plus z whole square, right? So here we will have to write this as x. Here we will have to write 2x, which is x we have considered, and then we have y, which is 3y, and z, which is minus 4z. So it's x plus y plus z whole square. Now 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square. So this is the answer of the first part. This you can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4z multiplied by 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Since the degree is 2, that's why we have written the factor twice. Okay. Now in the second part we have 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay, again here we have x square, y square, z square term, and then we have xy, yz, zx. That means this is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square, which is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus 2 into yz plus 2 into zx. Okay, so 2x square can be written as root 2x whole square. Why? Because we know that root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, so that means here root 2 square. So that means since degree is 2, so we can write root 2 twice. And if you multiply 2, if we multiply root 2 by root 2, we'll get 2. So this 2 can be written as root 2 whole square, and since x is there with root 2, so it is root 2x whole square. If you remove the bracket, you will get 2x square. And this y square can be written as y square plus 8z square can be written as 8. If you find the factors of 8, it's 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So from the pair, from 2 2 we can take 1 2, and since this is not in pairs, we will write root 2. So that means 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 root 2z whole square. So 8 can be written as 2 root 2. 8z can be written as 2 root 2 z square. How? 2 square, here 2 root 2 square means 2 square means 2 into 2 4, and here is root 2 square means root 2 into root 2, it's 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so that means 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Fine. Now here we will have to check that with xy term which sign is given. It's minus. So that means either x term is negative or y term is negative. Now if you check the next term in which we have been given yz term. Okay, and here we can see that yz term is positive, right? That means here y and z both are positive, that's why it is positive. This means x is negative, that's why this term is negative and this term is also negative. Okay, so here minus root 2x, with minus root 2x will give minus sign. Why? Because just now we have found that x is negative, x term is negative. So since we have written this in place of 2x square, and which is x term, so here we have to give minus sign, and minus square means it's plus, so we'll get 2x square. Now according to the identity, we have been given plus sign after z square term, so we'll give plus sign, and then we have 2xy, so 2 into x, x means minus root 2x, okay, x means this minus root 2x, and y means y here. Now if you multiply this, see 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 xy, and plus minus minus, so it will become minus 2 root 2 xy. See this term, it's minus 2 root 2 xy. Okay, now next, according to the identity, we have been given plus sign, so we'll give plus sign. Then we have 2yz, so we'll give 2. Now y means here y, and z means 2 root 2z, right? So we'll write 2 root 2z. Now if you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2 yz. So here we can see it's there 4 root 2 yz. Okay, then according to the identity, we have been given plus sign, right? So again we'll give plus sign. 2 into z into x. So z means 2 root 2z. This is the z term. Okay, this is the z term, and this is the x term. So here according to the identity, we have 2 into z into x. So 2 into z term we have written. Now we need to write x term, which is minus root 2 x. Now we'll just multiply this to check whether we are getting minus 8xz or not. Okay, now see, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, and root 2 into root 2, it's 2, so 4 into 2 is 8, and z and x means zx. Okay, so we are getting 8 and 8zx we are getting, and here we have minus sign, and here we have plus sign, so plus minus minus, so here we are having minus 8xz, so here also we are getting minus 8zx. Okay, so according to the identity, this is the expanded form of x plus y plus z whole square. So here only we will have to write x plus y plus z whole square. So x means here minus root 2x. Okay, now plus y means y here, and then z means 2 root 2z, right? This is whole square, so that means this is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. If you want to write the factors of this, you can write this way also, or you just write, since the degree is 2, we can write the factor twice, so it's minus root 2x plus y plus root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Okay, so this was all about question number 5. Thank you, students.